firewood here. All them, after them, I want to use them in the next
Please, let me do that in the evening. Please, I have to rush back to the shop.
Are you stupid? This one will not take you time. Just 30 minutes you're done with this one, you rush and go back to your shop.
My master is waiting for me.
Come on, go and give that thing and go and cut this firewood for me. I saw what you can do. I say nothing. Okay, what? You do for me?
Please, okay, let me rest. I need a little rest.
Rain what?
Let me pour water on my body.
So after pouring water on your body, now come and cut firewood. You have to. Come on, go and cut that firewood and pack it in the kitchen. Then you go and carry that thing and go and meet your master. Let me not come out here and take firewood. I'll need that for
Kerebano, Chimobi, Chimobi.
Nayo, please. There's something I want to do for you.
What is it?
There's small thing I want you to do for me.
What is that?
Let him be at home and help me with small errand. You come and
why
join.
are you ready to attend Chimobi with me? Eh?
Am I dragging him? Is he not here to help you and help me too? He's helping two of us.
But you know that this boy has a lot to do with me in the workshop.
But he has something to do for me too now. He will just do it and he will run and come and meet you. It will not take time. That's why I called you as my husband and begged you. Singing Nanyo. Please now.
Matilda.
My husband. Now.
Please, help her out and join me as soon as possible.
Okay, sir. I'll be waiting.
That's good, isn't it? Go where? Huh? You follow me. What are you standing there? Come on. Why are all these places on what?
Mama, I don't know when washing plates in this house.
It is now your business to wash plates in this house. When you finish washing them, you arrange them the way they're supposed to be inside the house.
No, I'm not supposed to wash plates now.
So you're using that mouth I'm feeding you to answer me back? My friend, wash this plate very well and let none of them break because your wretched family cannot afford this plate. You hear me?
God forbid, my family is not wretched.
Are you answering me my own house? Are you mad? Are you stupid? So you don't answer me back. Come close and go and wash this plate. Wash all these pots and get them clean. Are you still answering me? Come go and clean that plate. Stupid boy. Wash them very well and arrange them. I thought you use your mouth. I used to feed you and talk in this house. Let me try it again. Let me finish this plate, not inside.
Mama, you know, see, dako.
Yes, ma.
Oh, rishi.
Your mother cooks so rishi.
Yeah, trust you, Mama. Hey, Mama, you say you will prepare a ragwa on Nkwo market day.
That's the only day I'll buy those ingredients. There's nothing you cannot see in that market. Though. On Nkwo market day, you buy every ingredient you need for it. Everything you want to see, they'll come and teach you how to prepare it. You know I'm good with all this. I show you how to dako.
That was my name.
You know why I will teach you how to cook? If you're married now and you don't cook well, another woman will come into your house and get your husband's interest.
Mama, don't worry. I'll be learning small. One takre.
No, let me be big. Oh. Because a man's mind is in his belly. And baby, you are preparing to marry a rich man. You are particular about it.
No, that one is not a problem. Alright. If you finish eating, I have to go and wash the plates. If you see the heap of plates that are in that backyard, not the much.
You're not going to wash anything. What is the job of Chimobi in this house?
Chimobi?
When he comes back, I wash those plates. So you want to be in my house only eating food, not doing the house chores. Makagin, do I look like his mother? When he comes back, you go and wash that plate. Then arrange that kitchen. If you're looking for what to do at work, you finish now, go and get your makeup bag, sit there and be painting your face for your rich husband. After a painting face is enough work.
Hey.
You hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Eat meat, eat meat.
Yeah, Mom, how you doing?
I'm good. Hey, I'm doing well.
Yeah, Mom, you know I fly.
Eh?
Yeah, he's dollar man. When I talk to this thing, well, that's my wife.
Oh, your wife. She went to church. She's in the back.
Where is she, Mom? I'm not gonna go until I see my wife.
Yeah. She'll soon be back. She went to pray for you in the church.
Are you serious?
Hey.
Mom, you know why I like you?
Uh-uh.
Whenever you talk, I listen because you're good, you're humble, you're beautiful, and my wife is this. Listen, Mom, you know, I'm a dollar man. I fly. When I say I fly, I fly.
Yes.
Mom, you know what I'm going to do now? Please, dollar man, you're in love. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you naira. Just for the same time, you know. Just don't worry, man. This for a charge card. No, man. This for a charge card.
All this one for a charge card?
Of course. You have to know. You have in-law, man.
This is
I fly. I'm a dollar man.
Dollar man.
Yes, mom.
Dollar man. This one will do me for soup and stew now.
Mom, it's alright. I'm gonna go when my wife comes. Tell her I come.
Won't you wait?
Of course, no, I'm not gonna wait. I'm going to somewhere. So I see you, huh?
Dollar
Mom.
man. Dollar man.
Yes, I'm dollar man.
Dollar man.
I fly, Mom.
Yes, you fly. You fly.
Alright.
Dollar man. I'll go more. I'll go more.
Yes.
Hey. Okay. Hey, wait. Dollar man that fly you. Because fly you. I fly you, man. You cannot fly, you know. Hey.
Oh, baby. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Look at the way you're looking in your church attire. Very good. Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine. This is the direction of my house. It's like you're coming from my house.
Yeah, of course. That's where I'm coming. And Mom said you went to church with Chimobi.
Yes.
Ross, good afternoon.
Chimobi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. Babe, help me, sir. Let's go. Let me take you out.
But I want to go. It's just that I want to go to the market and buy something that we can cook. You know, today is Sunday.
Ngo, today is Sunday. Help inside. Let's go and give Mom some money. Do you understand? They take care of it. Chimobi, you go house.
Because you know Papa is at home and he's waiting for us to come back so that you rush and go to the market.
Chimobi, go to the house. I get Mom some money. Okay? Money talks. I get Mom some money so you can take care of it. Babe, come inside. Let's go.
Okay.
Because are you going? Yeah, but
I have to go.
no, it's because you know.
Hey, boy, go.
Tell Mama I went out with Gozie.
Okay.
She will understand.
Please be
Man,
fast.
thank you, the car.
very
Let's
hungry,
go.
Okay, I don't know what Papa. Okay, no problem. I will tell Papa that you said.
Chimobi, go.
Okay.
What is holding these children from church since morning?
But they went to church now. Are you going to say when they will leave church? You know when pastor say amen, they come.
But I know they went to church. Is it not the church that is here?
But I thought you didn't know. That's why I answered you that they went to church. They'll soon be back. See him, he's coming.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma.
Where's my daughter?
Chimobi, where's our daughter?
Gozie carried her and left with his car.
Okay,
Why? Why did you allow that boy to carry her?
He's a fiancé now.
Fiancé bako kumatrida. Fiancé my foot. Fiancé my foot. Has he paid her bride price?
He's a rich man. $1.
Hold on! Hold it. Hold it. Who cares about his richness? Who cares about his dollar? Now that I'm hungry, who's going to go to market for me and cook food?
That kind of question. What is he doing here? Can't he go to the market? My friend, go and keep that Bible and come and go to the market.
Okay, ma.
Where are you? Now take this money. When you get to that, to carry bag, you see this, and not tell you, take it and take it.
Come back here. Open that money. Matilda, this is not the money I gave to you. What happened?
It's my in-law that gave me money now. It's the in-law that gave me. I want to take it and cook pot of soup. The money you gave me, is it enough to cook anything in this house? My friend, go and carry this.
Thank you.
Hey, you come back!
Sir? Always be good. Okay, sir.
What? That's the money they gave me. I added your own into it. Let me go and buy soup, cake, and stew. Let me cook something for you. And if you don't want him to buy, you give my money back.
I know always want to keep it family. For me and you, we put one leg in one time.
Asamado. Child. We go well. One man on a Sunday. Baby, see my car back there. Let's go.
No, I cannot go. I can't go.
Baby, I go marry you now. Man, no gay. Now dollar boy they talk. I go marry you, baby.
You're supposed to come now. You're supposed to come and see my father.
Dollar boy has been coming, baby. You will not tell me you don't know now. Dollar boy they bring money. No be money now. Dollar boy don't they come. Let's go, baby. I park somewhere your car there. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm expecting you to do the right thing. Oh, it has stayed now.
Make I tell you, I dey expect one good transaction. Now dollar boy. Listen, if money come now, I'll give you $200. Yes, now. Let's go.
Mama, no carry am. Listen, I don't want to go. We have to come properly. Do the needful.
Shut up, you know no side they help yourself. Mbeke, look at you. Dollar boy they talk to you, just they do like this. Look at you. Village girl. Village Mbeke. Look at your head. Look at you now. I be dollar boy, you know the see shoe. Adidas. I be dollar boy. Mugu. Mga baligelu na. Come on, why here, man?
You're helping me and you're pitying me. If I'm not in your class, then somebody that is in my class will find me. I don't like this insult.
Enya, if you already why here now, come on, why here also some mugu? Idiot. Dollar boy.
No. I came to call you so that we go to Chinyere's house. You know what is happening there today?
What is happening there?
Huh? He's giving out his daughter in marriage. Yeah? Everybody's going there. So it's going to be eat, drink, and be merry.
Is this why you woke me up?
What are you talking about? No, I don't understand you.
Anyway, he did not tell me.
How? You mean Chinyelugo did not inform you that his daughter is getting married today?
Mazi Okeke,
Eh?
I can sense your energy. You are a very good man. Leave these people. Mazi Okeke, leave these people. They know what they are doing. This same person that told my brother to inherit my property once I'm gone. See, sometimes when these people talk, I don't know how they think. See the way they talk as if they are hanging their own life on the air. Do they know who will die first? You see, sometimes I wonder, Mazi Okeke, I've written my will. I can take it to anywhere. I can take it to charity.
Wait.
I can take my will to. So if
you are waiting, hold on.
See, wait, let me tell you.
Hey!
You see, we know ourselves. But wait, are they marrying in full? Is he everything?
Are they going to marry only the hand? Okay. When they say they're giving his daughter's hand in marriage, you think it's just the hand that they're going to marry? No, but you surprised me. You mean Chinyerugo actually did what you are telling me? Told your brother to wait patiently till you die and then he will inherit your property?
I'm telling you.
Hey!
But you won't believe it. You understand? I'm telling you. But anyway, whether they're going to marry you in full or not, the question that they did not invite me. But it's okay. See, this place is not conducive for us for us to discuss this thing. Just wait for me after the marriage. At that Opo Market Square.
Okay.
Either Malechis or Obaka place.
Okay.
Wait for me there.
I think they should have good palm wine there.
Yes. They have very good palm wine. Take whatever you want. I will join you. When I join you, I will pay.
I will do that.
Thank you. Matilda, I learned Nigerian is getting married today.
Yeah. One of his daughters?
Yes.
Getting married, Ikwa. All those his ugly daughters, one is going out. Is that sound coming from that compound?
Yeah, that's where it's coming from.
And that means it's a small introduction. It might not be something loud.
Don't say so. I learned his son-in-law is very well to do.
Hey!
So he's taking care of my... And they say he's paying everything in full today.
Chineke, that's the kind of son-in-law I want for my daughter. I receive it in Jesus' name. That kind of rich man.
Shut up. Listen to yourself. See, in this house, you always talk about money all the time. Everything is money. You don't care about any other thing apart from money.
Everything is money. Oh. Everything in this life is money. Happiness is money. Joy is money. Smiling like this is money. That's the kind of man that will marry my daughter. I know one, the sound is heavy. That means it's a heavy marriage.
Very heavy.
Hey!
But Matilda, I have always prayed for our daughter. First, happiness in marriage. Next, a man that has fear of God.
With money. Rich in fear of God. With money. You want to go grace of money.
Yeah, I know money is good.
Everything.
Yeah, but they can still live with love.
What is love without money?
Money is not everything.
My husband, money is everything.
No. Now, let me analyze it for you.
Okay.
Love can sustain you until you get money. But money cannot sustain you until you get love. So try. No, I'm not. This argument has been on this house since onset. I'm not. Wait. I'm not even expecting you to agree with me because I know you. You are a money person. I'm telling you what I wish for our daughter.
The wish is not working.
Okay, fine and good. But listen and look at my wish. You understand? Before we talk about your money, it has been money all this while. I wish you a man that has fear of God.
With money.
I wish you a man that has understanding.
With money, oh.
I wish her a man that will love her with everything. Look, Matilda, did we start with money?
Hey, that was that time because money was not common.
No. You're not saying the truth.
Hey, money don't parry pursue.
No. Did I have money when you married me?
That was then. That time money was not raining.
So are you telling me that you don't love me again?
I just love you small, Sha, in one way. That's why I like to have a rich man that will support us. So managing will be easier for me.
It doesn't.
Money is everything now.
Sometimes it doesn't go that way.
Most times, money is everything.
So now let me ask you one question.
Ask me.
Before you go get my food because I'm hungry. In marriage, what comes first? Is it money or love?
Money, oh. It's money that will bring love. Money will bring joy. Money will bring smile. And when there's money, there will be happiness. When you give me money in the night, you will be happy.
Matilda, go and give me my food.
You see, the food you want me to go and get now, is it not money? It's money. And if you give me money, you have joy. You give me money, happiness. You give me money in the night, Sarah. Joy comes with money. Without money, it's impossible to be happy. If you bring money, you know, even in the night, there will be happiness. Happiness everywhere. I can do your food because...
Wait. How far? About your baby. Because you that I know will never carry last. But now we should be expecting good news like marriage. Did you see Ulo? She got married yesterday. If you see the way people were celebrating her, there is a lot to eat, a lot to drink. Did you know that some people were even rejecting food? I took a lot of food to my father's house.
That means she must have married a very rich guy.
Yes, now that guy is rich and handsome.
I'm happy for her.
He's supposed to be with next to. Hey!
Ne, this my guy.
What happened?
I don't tire. I'm even losing the love gradually. In fact, do I even love him? His insults are much. One village girl. See.
Do you mean that he's calling you local? One village? He is tired of this thing. He's tired of your Ifeda.
No. Don't go there. Omakanka. I never give him a. Do I even love him? This guy is killing my feelings for him gradually with his insults.
That is why he is not even making any move of coming to marry you.
Yeah, I don't think so.
If all this why you have not been giving him the Ifeda, meaning he is not coming to marry you. Wait, have you discussed with your mother?
That is the problem. Mama doesn't want to hear anything that will remove the rich son-in-law to be away. That is the problem.
You know mothers, they like money a lot. Nah, what do you expect? Please, I want to go. Please, let me go and see my mom.
You too gossip. What about your own book? Mama, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Yeah. What do you want to discuss with me now that you saw me sewing? I want to finish this dress now. I can go in and do other things. Can't you talk about that later?
No, that is the problem. This thing is important too.
Bikongo, let's talk about this later. It's you that said I should make this dress now. And I'll go and cook you what you say you want to eat. It's one person now. Let me feel this one. We can talk that one later.
It's not all about food. I want to talk about Gozi.
Love, one thing. See, you could have told me I want to talk about love now. What did Gozi do? When did he soon be here? What is it?
Mama. I'm getting tired of that man. I think he doesn't have respect for my family. He does not respect me either.
I don't understand. Is he supposed to be the one respecting you or you respecting him? If he doesn't respect your family, how come he gives me money? He has enough respect for this family. What do you mean? He's a good man, very rich man.
That is the angle I'm going. This is not the angle I'm going.
Which angle are you going? Is it 160 or 360 degrees? Which angle? What do you mean?
Mama, the way this man talks to me, I'm not even sure he has interest in marrying me. I'm getting tired though. Yeah, I'm losing interest.
Eh? Don't try it! Lose getting. That will take interest there, Eboje. Go and bring this interest. How can you lose interest over a rich man? You're losing. No, okay, Grego, stop all this nonsense. A rich man that is ready to come and marry you, you're losing interest. Why? Unless you have gone there to do, you've jaheed in that place, okay? You have gone there to jahe your leg.
No. See, as a matter of fact, that is the problem. He is doing all these things because I refuse sleeping with him.
Men are the same thing. Even your father here, if I don't open leg in the night, I think you give him money for food in the morning. As poor as he is. Men, you don't open your leg, they will not do anything, forget. Even this rich man, if they make two leg, you open leg immediately. You open it and you remove your face if you don't want. Once it's done, he'll give you anything you want. You want to go? His leg opening for the woman, no?
No, that's why he marries me now. This one, he's not showing any interest. Though. I don't understand that man.
If he doesn't show interest, you show him interest. Ozubo, if he doesn't show, you show. Showing is showing. Whether you or him, is show. You want to go? Show him interest. If I show him love, Ngonwa. Men are like that, so he's a rich man. I don't want to lose that man. You want to go? Show him interest. Okpogi locally smile, yeah? Yeah? Imeria. Baby. What for? All of them will work. Until you come and pay your diary, that will be all. I believe you let me free DJ for my DJ camera. I need to wear this dress on Sunday.
Ngozi, what is troubling you?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
No, I'm not sure. Tell me, talk to me. Or is it about Ngozi?
How did you know? But that's not still your business. I mean, when did that one start? As my brother or what?
Yes, as your brother. You see, look, that guy Ngozi, I don't like him. I think that guy is fake. You have to be very careful. I am giving you this advice as a brother. You have to be careful so that this guy will not just maybe get what he wants or sleep with you and run away.
Exactly what? As if you were there. This has been the issue, wanting to make out with me. As if he even wants to force me.
You see? Okay, now, what do you know about him? Do you know where he lives?
Actually, no. Since then till now, he has been promising to take me to where he lives. I don't know.
You see what I'm talking? Does Mama know that you don't know where he lives?
Talking about Mama, Mama doesn't seem to understand though, as far as he brings money.
Now, do you know that your father does not like me? Yes, because he's my master. He doesn't support Mama at all.
We're talking about Papa. You know, Papa and Mama has been having their own differences. I don't want to come in. This guy issue gets me worried. Since I've known this Gozie till now, I don't know his house, honestly. If I'm telling Mama about him, Mama na couple.
Because you just follow your mind, okay? And be careful. Just be careful.
Thank you, Chimobi. Thank you. I think I'll always confide in you. Because as I am now, I'm very confused about this whole thing. I'm confused. Mama keeps telling me he means well for me because he's giving her money.
It's okay. Like I said, just be careful, okay? I'm your brother, so I won't deceive you.
Papa! Papa, bye-bye.
Ngozi,
Papa.
that reminds me, what is happening between you and this boy?
You mean Gosi?
Yes. See, I've been watching that guy for a very long time. And see that guy doesn't have any future with you. But your mother will not allow me to say. He will not allow me to do anything. So what's happening between you and him?
I thought Mama should tell you now.
Leave your mother out of this when I'm talking to you. You know your mother is a dollar woman. You know your mother is a dollar woman. I'm not seeing any seriousness in that boy. If it's not serious, look for another suitor. Ngozi, okay, why in a gaga?
But will I bring a man to marry me? Is it not a man that will come and marry me?
No. You have to really move on because the way you are moving with the boy, he will not allow you to look into another man. So do whatever you don't hasten everything up. If it's not ready, you look for another suitor. There's no time.
Papa, I've heard you. Thank you so much, Papa. I've heard you.
Thank you. Please, always make good decisions for yourself. Chimobi, let's go.
Okay, Papa. Bye-bye.
I don't want to hide this anymore. This is one of my house. That's why I brought you here. Listen, as soon as I completed this place now, I will bring you in as my wife. I give you ring immediately, we'll marry. Chai, dollar boy.
I didn't know that my husband to be owns this type of building. So this is what I've been denying you from marrying me and bringing me in.
Yes, I told you. Listen, I'm very, very serious about you. And you need to boost my morale. Dollar boy now. Listen, you need to give me that thing. I'm making you boost my morale.
Which thing?
Now, this is not your first time now. I promise you marriage. I'm not playing. So just give me that thing now. You boost my morale. How I go buy a car? I no go test my car. I no go test the engine. Nothing. No, Jim.
Okay. And next time, if we see, I'll let me think about it.
Next time again?
No, this time I'll do it.
You will do it?
Since you've shown me your reason for delaying our marriage.
Okay. Immediately you do it. That is the only thing that is holding us up. Immediately you do it now, we are married. Yes, now I told you. Don't worry, I will keep showing you all my properties. Yes, now. So dollar boy. So happy. I'm so happy. So very come here, my baby.
You show me your parents too.
Yes, I will.
It's been long now. I'm supposed to have known them by now.
Don't worry, I will. Trust me. This is dollar boy. Let's go, huh?
I'm going to be the madam of this house.
Of course. One of it.
Mama, I can't wait.
Hey! Here we go in the room. My enemies have been put to shame.
Amen. I'm so happy.
Sing for the Lord. That's all. Hey, come here. What did you come back to do? Okay, to look for food. Okay. It's only food I will bring you back home. Nothing else. The only food I have in this house is the food that I put in the flask for my husband. You see? Anyway, because you can't bring the food. You can't bring that food. Until you finish that farmland, you will not have food in this house.
But that is what I've been doing since. I'm trying to finish it.
You're trying. Until you finish it. I didn't say trying. You see this way you're looking like you'll be like broom very soon. If you don't finish that farm, you will not have food in this house. If you carry this food, take it to my husband. Ngozi, bring the food.
I'm bringing it.
If you carry this food, take it straight to my husband, and I pray it doesn't remain food for you. Ngo!
Mama.
I'll give him the food. Just take it. No. Hold this food. You go with him. Let him go and give my husband this food. When you get the tell your father to finish this food, let him not remain for this boy. If he doesn't finish that farmland, he will not have food in this house. He has to lose weight. I can't be feeding an animal, someone that doesn't have sense. People should go.
I'm coming.
Go. After you get your house again, like it's not my business. I don't trust you. I can't give them my husband that food.
Mama is not here. You nearly deceived me. Do you know I almost lost Gozie? Now, Gozie has proposed to me properly. I brought you food. One for you, one for Papa. Let your mama, you will starve till you slim like broom, as she said. This one is Papa's own. Make sure you give it to him.
Okay, I will.
I hide and brought this one out for you.
Thank you.
You like food a lot.
It's not my fault. You know, I'm free to go walk in the house. Okay, no problem. Okay.
Matilda, my lovely wife, you are such a very good cook. On a day like this, happy Sunday.
You know how they couldn't see down food.
Yeah.
Daka.
Yeah.
Can't try me with this.
Yes. I haven't said that to you. But listen, my father once told me that the easiest route to a man's heart is through his stomach.
Oh.
But I know I paid for the bride price. If I cannot have love, at least let me eat well and take care of my daughter Ngozi.
Imagine. So that somebody to just comfortably tell me you are a good cook and a good wife. You're just going around. At least I'm getting good food for you.
It's true. But you know I paid for this. It's not a free thing.
Some people pay for it and they don't still have any good cook. So you paid for it and I'm cooking well and I'm also a good wife. No. You're going. Yes, sir. You're beautiful like this.
Because where are you going?
She's going.
Hey, shut up! I've told you to start interrogating when I'm talking to Ngozi.
But when you ask the question...
She's our child.
Okay.
Not yours only. Ngozi, please be very, very careful.
I have appointment with Gozie. I've always been careful.
Be very, very careful. I know what I'm talking about.
Okay, Papa.
Greeting for me. Okay. Bye-bye.
Where is Chima?
Chima went to the farm. One small portion of land I asked him to clean for 1 week now. That stupid boy, useless boy. I've not been able to clean. Please.
Matilda, you will not kill me in this house. So you have the heart to send this boy back to that farm again on this hot sun. You are graduating from wickedness to witch.
Hey! Oh. So the boy will just be in my house eating food. You will not walk. A small portion of land, that's why you stay 1 week doing. And let him die there now. I'm doing well giving him food.
Chimobi.
Sir. Good evening, sir.
I have been waiting.
Good evening, sir.
Why are you coming at this time?
Mama said that I must finish the work in the farmland, so that was what took my time.
Is that why you should stay up to this night and keep me waiting? You know she didn't mean it.
No, she meant it so because she said that she will not be giving me food if I don't finish the work in the farmland. Since morning I've not eaten.
I just hope this one will not kill me in this house.
And she said that if I mention it to anybody, that she will throw me away from this house.
Just go inside. I'll come and give you the food myself.
Okay, sir.
Just go inside.
Okay, sir.
No?
Udaji!
What is it again? What is it again? Won't I race in this house? What is it again?
You're asking me what is it again?
Yes, I'm asking you.
That is as if I'm not I don't have sense. Okay. I want to know if you are the one that went to my pot of soup.
Yes. And what about that?
Udaji, I know you're lying. I know you're covering for Chimobi, but I know you cannot go to my pot of soup. You mean that you went there yourself?
Yes. And heaven will not fall.
Really?
Yes, heaven will not fall.
So you're proudly telling me that you went to my pot of soup
yes,
because of Chimobi?
Yes, I'm proudly telling you that I went to your pot of soup.
Heaven
what will
fall.
happen? Yes.
Heaven will fall. You see that boy? Chimobi must leave this house. If you know where you got that boy from, take that boy back to where you got him from. He's not a spirit, he has people. Take him back. Or heaven will fall in this house.
Oh. God bless the day I met Chimobi.
Actually, I am not from this village. I was traveling and my money finished, so I couldn't get to my destination. So I didn't have any place that I would sleep. I've been sleeping around this place.
What exactly do you want me to do for you?
Okay, sir, please. I don't know if I can be working with you. I am very hard working, very hard working.
Working with me? How? I'm a fertilizer.
I can
will
be
you do
serving you. Please, sir, help me. Please,
stand up. Please stand up. People don't need for me. I'm not God.
Please. I can be going errands for you. I can take the tire,
Then where are you going to be sleeping?
I can sleep here, sir. I don't have any place to sleep, but I can sleep here, sir.
You cannot sleep here now.
I've been doing that.
This is open workshop. You cannot sleep here.
I have slept in this open workshop for the past 3 days, sir. So I can still be sleeping there. Yes, sir. I can manage anywhere. Just let me have a place I will lay my head, then I will be serving you. I can sleep here.
Chimobi,
Sir?
meet my wife.
Good afternoon. I'm sorry. Good morning, ma.
All of them are in the same day. Anyhow, welcome. Oh, is he looking so tattered?
Tattered, quoi? He's not
Who is
looking
he?
tattered. I've told you his name is Chimobi. He said he will stay with us for some time and find his way from here whenever it's convenient for him.
Where is convenient for him?
Yes.
You'll be staying here with us the way he looks. Ah,
What is wrong with the way he looks? Matilda. Anyway, he says he'll be staying with us for some time here and find his way from this place, please.
no. Welcome, oh.
Thank you, ma.
Now, come.
Matilda, that reminds me, that boy has been so helpful to you. It has been helpful to you, Matilda.
Helpful my foot. All I'm saying in this is that boy must leave this house today, and that is final.
Matilda.
What?
Chimobi goes nowhere.
Ah!
Going
That is
nowhere.
final.
This
I
is
know
my
you must
this
go
is
from this
listen,
house.
this is my
I'm not
roof.
listening
This
to
is
you.
my roof.
I'm not listening to
Even you are living under my roof.
You have to go before my mother meets you here.
You won't be safe. Just
You know my mother now. You know my mother. I don't need to tell you. Just go. I don't want you to encounter any issue with her. As a matter of fact, she said Papa has to return with Chimobi if Chimobi is ever coming back to this house. So leave before my mother comes out. and meets
Okay, but I
you.
just want to be sure it's safe. Hope it's safe.
See, wait now until my mother meets you here. I'm telling you because you're Chimobi's friend. Though.
it's okay.
Shima, has things gotten this bad?
So, also my good friend. See, you see that house? I am the one that does all the house chores in that house. I wash plates, I sweep the house, I cut firewood, I even go to the market to buy what they use to cook. It's just that sometimes Ngozi will wash the plate, but most often I'm the one that wash the whole plate in that house.
But see, let me give an advice. I think it would be better off if you can gather some money. And gather some money, go and rent an apartment somewhere. Yes. Yes. Even if it is one room in one public compound or something, it's better off.
So where do I get the money? You know I'm serving my master. And we are living in the same house. See, maybe I should go and beg my master's wife to accept me back in the house.
To accept it back.
Yes, now.
Well, since it is the only option you have now, maybe you should go and beg her. But I still insist that you get an apartment for yourself. You're a young man, you need to stay on your own. You can't get somewhere, even if it's one room, in one public compound. It's better off. You're a young man, live your life.
Please, ma. Forgive me. I'm so sorry. I will not do it again. Please forgive me, ma.
People have already planned all this before bringing it to me, right?
No, please, ma. Please, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Bring me back to the house, please, ma. I'm begging you.
I suspect gang up. Ngozi, are you involved in this?
No, Mama, I'm not.
No, what do you have?
This is your office. You know I will always support you in every good decision.
If it's the case, I've forgiven you. I owe nothing against you. I don't have any grudges.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
If you're forgiving me, let him stand up now. This guy has been kneeling down here for the past 2 hours.
It's not yet quarrel. I stand up.
Thank you. Please let me finish the work that I'm doing at the backyard. Thank you. I don't want.
Ngo,
Mama.
what did you say is a problem?
Mama, I just don't want to have anything to do with him again.
What can you take such decision? What happened? He hit the point. Let me understand now.
Mama, the way he talks to me, I've been enduring, no. He insults me at will. Upon local, upon village girl.
How can the big man see him? Rich men, they are like that. Once they have money, they can call you local. They can even call you Ashawo self. They can call you anything. Overlook them as long as the money is coming. Let them call anything. After all, local is the name of anything.
Mama, you too like money, oh. You didn't tell me. Okay, so because he has money, you'll be insulting me at will.
A man that insults you.
How much is the biggest money amount he has ever given to you? Or 10,000.
Which is big money now? Anywhere they go. A man that gives your mother 10,000, not bro mother. Rich man call one. Because of that, he loves you. That's why he gives your mother money. Ifro, he's a good man, rich suitor at that. But you have not really told me what really happened.
Mama,
what did you people do that brought about this talk?
Just because I refused to sleep with him.
Hey! Oh, this man. Once you refuse to the problem, you have a problem. The light leg opening. I knew it. I knew there was something.
Mama, you knew.
Yes. How can you carry all these things? And the man will be looking at you, morning to night, look at you in the night. You will not. You know they are wicked. I don't know. Everything I gave you, back, front, and you. Don't worry. If it's that one, I'll talk to him. He'll calm down. But go on when they touch you, you know.
Not I'm doing the right thing.
You're not doing any right thing with all these things I gave you. You know, but God, give me water to drink. You said you carry all this thing at the back and everything you do. You open leg now. I don't know. If okay, you look at you now, you don't let the open leg. You're wicked now. You're wicked now.
I thought
if evil. One more. One more. This men are foolish, you. Bring water.
What is it? Do you want to send me a message on top of Mama's own?
No. I want to accompany you to the market.
Is Mama aware?
No, let's go.
Yeah, now, let's go now.
Hey. Ngozi, where are you going? Where are you going?
Good afternoon. To the market to buy things for Mama to cook.
How far, bro?
Who is your bro? Like you don't have respect. Ngozi, where are you going?
We want to go to the market to buy things for Mama to cook.
Must you go with him? Do you see why I said you're a local girl? No matter how you take wash local rice, you go still chop stone. This guy, now your houseboy, Ngozi.
Excuse me, I'm not a houseboy.
Shut up. Mpago dollar. This is dollar boy. I am talking. When I talk, you shut up. You're a houseboy.
Ngozi, please, enough of this insult. Let's go.
Ngozi, you're walking out. Come back here. Mbeke, look at you. Okay. It's all right.
I thought you said it's over between you two.
Yes. But Mama said that.
Mama said what? Eh? Will she follow you to your husband's house and see the pain that you're passing through? Can't you make your own choice? Eh? See, I don't know the kind of man you want. But what kind of a man do you want?
Me, for me, not for Mama. I need a man that will love me, treat me well, respect me, talk to me nicely, even when he's angry.
And do you think you can find it in him?
He's not that man.
You see, I don't know why people look beyond searching for something within.
What do you say?
You won't understand, but you're a nice girl. You're a beautiful girl. You are not a local girl. Okay? You're a big girl. You deserve a man. You just deserve someone better.
Chima, you don't know how you've made my day. You say I'm beautiful. I'm not a local girl. I'm a big girl.
You are not.
Like this, I'm a big girl.
You are not.
Oh, you're a brother to me. I love you. Oh my. Sorry.
No, it's okay. You see, Ngozi, I love you too.
Love what? Where is that one coming from?
But you just came out from your mouth. Or don't you listen to your heart?
Which heart?
Does she not know that I love her? She doesn't really know how I feel about her. I am deeply in love. But does she feel same? Does she even know what is love? What about it? Because she knows that I love her. She doesn't really know how I feel about her. I'm deeply in love. But does she feel the same way? Does she even know what is love? I can't wait to have her and love her. That's this is the lesson. Or I can stop giving praises. I really need to do things for me. But I think she does. But she refuses to admit that.
Chima. Chimobi. Chimobi.
Is it okay? What is it?
Take it from here to that end, and then down to this end. Don't just pass.
From here now.
From here down to the right. Are you like? Once you take it up, you take it that way, and then this way. Don't trespass. If you enter another man's land and they come for you.
No, I will not trespass. It should be
Beautiful.
from this place now to
Beautiful.
that, down to the other that tree.
there.
That
Good.
tree there.
Then you
Straight.
take it to bam and then come this way. Yeah? You can see it's not a safe, it's a small thing. It's not too big.
I'll do the work, Maz. But this farmland is very big. I cannot do it for that amount.
It's not too big. It's not big.
Maz, you add something.
But listen,
Maz.
all you have to do is, you see those corn, you harvest them. Yeah? Harvest them for me and pack them somewhere. Okay? I'll come and carry them. But it's small. Then you now clear the clearables.
Maz,
that's all.
This land is not small. You add something. I cannot do it for that old price. That price that we negotiated. I didn't know that. Can you imagine from here to that place, Maz? You have to add something, Maz.
What are you talking about? Eh? You are being too greedy.
Maz, I'm not greedy. I did not even charge you. I did not charge you.
Okay. You know what? Don't worry. I'll add something for you. On top of what I have already agreed with you, I'll add something. So just do the work. Take it down there and this way.
As far as you add something, I'll be going.
Good. So you can start now.
Are you going to pay me before I start?
You have not done the job and you want me to pay you. How can I pay for a job that's not yet done?
Well, there's no problem. Come be always.
My friend. Do the work. Listen to me. When I was your age, I was carrying houses on my shoulders. You understand me?
Ngozi,
Papa?
This has been skipping me. What are you doing with that young man, Ngozi?
Papa, I don't understand. In fact, I don't know. I don't like his attitude. I don't think I can get along with him anymore.
Did you tell your mother?
I've been telling Mama, but she seems not to understand me.
That thing I've been telling you is beginning to surface now. Ngozi, your mother likes money. I have been telling you this. That woman is money. Everything is money.
Don't talk about Mama like that. As for Jose, we are not getting along. I don't think we are getting along.
Then go and get a second man. Ngozi, you are not getting younger. I know you. You will say I'm bitter now, but that is the truth. Go and get yourself a man. Please. I'm telling you this with love, but you won't understand. You are going to occupy space in this house.
Hey!
Don't you see it?
Oh, no, just imagine. Will I go and get myself a man? Is it not a man that will come and marry me?
Yeah, but sometimes you make move. You're a woman.
I've been with Jose now.
You might not have all the time, Ngozi. Go and get yourself a husband or go and get yourself a man. Leave that boy. You see that boy? You see that boy? You see that boy?
Maz, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I am just coming from your house, Maz.
What did you go to my house to do?
Maz, for my money now, for the work that I did to you for that your big farmland.
Which work did you do for me?
For the big farmland that you told me the other
day. Hey! Quiet. You did not finish the job. Yet you want me to pay you.
Maz, I spent 3 days doing that job for you, Maz. 3 days.
You could have spent 365 plus 10 days. Yet the job is unfinished. Therefore, I cannot pay you.
Maz, I finished that job. Everybody knows that. Maz, you are not the only person that I've worked for. I have worked for many people. I'm a hustler. If I see anything, I hustle. I'm a hustler in this. You cannot eat my money, Maz, because it is that money that I'm using to feed my family, Maz. Maz, you give me my money here and now.
What? Wait. Are you threatening me?
Maz, I'm not threatening you. But you must give me.
No, you are threatening me with a machete.
The whole people know that I'm not threatening you, Maz. But what I'm saying is that you give me my money here and now.
Okay, let me get that though. Look, you did not finish the job. I gave you a job and you refused to finish it. And I cannot pay you for a job you have not finished.
Maz, I finished that job. I finished that job. I worked there for 3 days. 3 good days, Mazi.
That's what I'm saying. You could work for 1 year without finishing it. Alright, let me go and show you.
Mazi, you are not going anywhere. You are going to give me my money here and now, Mazi.
You want to fight me?
Mazi, I'm not fighting you.
What's wrong with you? Get out of my way, let me go. Let me.
Mazi, you are not going anywhere. You must give me my money here.
If you block my way, I will do one of 2 things to you.
Mazi, you must give me my money here.
I don't know on Buegi size 98. Enough where look at this job.
Mazi,
you need Scotto elephantiasis. But I pity you. Get out of my way.
Mazi, you must give me my money. Mazi, give me my money. Mazi, give me my money.
You are blocking my way.
Give me my money, Mazi.
You are blocking my way.
You're not going anywhere, Mazi. Mazi, you're not going anywhere.
Hey, Ngo, are you trying to tell me that Mama fell down and broke her ankle? How did it happen?
It was Gozio.
You mean your Gozi?
Mama was running after Gozi. She then fell down and broke her ankle. Now she's at the hospital. The doctor says she needs to undergo a knee replacement surgery. Where do we get that kind of money from?
I understand. Stop crying. Mama will be fine.
How?
Believe yourself, Mama will be fine. I'm sorry. Mama. Sorry.
Oh, I should have listened to my wife. Not to allow Chima in this house.
Papa, it was Gozie's fault. Gozie.
Ngozi, I told you I never liked that guy in the first place. You see the way I'm the only loser now.
Papa,
I'm standing alone.
Mama is also my mother. I will never do anything to hurt her. It was not my intention. I'm sorry, Papa.
Now, who's going to be cooking for me?
Papa, I'll cook for you.
Ngozi, shut up your mouth. Listen, my wife is in the hospital. Chima, that I brought in, is getting married to you. That Gozie that people has been hanging on for how many years did not marry you again? Then just get out! Get out!
Hello, baby. Where are you going? Oh, really? Oh, that's not my problem. You pretender. I thought you said you're virgin.
I never told you that.
Okay, what stops us from doing that? Okay, look at how you carry your big ass. Give to that guy. Boy, come back here. I'm talking to you.
Enough of your rubbish, Gozie. Look, I'm tired of all this I've tolerated you enough. Don't you have conscience? After what you caused, Mama is in the hospital and you're here sounding like this. I wish Mama knew who you are. You're just a stupid, proud liar. Hey! How did I get here? Look, I'm done with you. Imagine.
Dollar boy.
Excuse you. Okay.
See what
you made me do. See what I've cost Mama. That's wicked and stupid boy, Gozie. Just because Mama was running after him as if he's a god, Mama fell down and broke her ankle. Now, the doctor says Mama needs to undergo a knee replacement surgery. Where do we get the money from? Where? Who do we run to? Is it Papa? Who?
Ngozi, please, stop hurting yourself. You know you're carrying a child. So, You don't have to hurt yourself so that the child will not get hurt.
Does it matter? It matters to me anymore.
No. You don't have to say that. You see, I take the whole blame. I should have controlled my emotions. I should have not done anything with you in that house. I should have taken you to somewhere else.
So you knew? Eh? Now look at what we have caused. We've caused Papa pains.
See, I'm looking for a way to ask Papa to forgive me.
So what you made me do? Chima, you've killed me. Hi. Where do we get money for knee replacement surgery? Where? Is it Papa? Who do we run to? Everybody's now blaming me, and because why is my own love life like this? Why?
Please, please, just take it. I know you have caused so many pains for Papa, but don't worry. I don't know. I'm looking for a way. Let him forgive me, please. It's not your fault. Either is it mine. Please. Okay? Just take it easy.
Doctor says he's not going to touch Mama until we bring that money. Mama is going through pains in that hospital. How do we get money for knee replacement surgery? How? Where? Who do we run to? Who? Sorry. Papa, please forgive me. Because Mama, I'm sorry. Please. I know the pains I'm making you go through. And the Mama at the hospital. Because I love you.
Ngozi,
Papa.
it has always been like this. Right from my childhood. People always break and they will come back and they will do it again. You will forgive and they will do it again. People keep piercing my heart at all times and they want me to forgive. I have always been forgiving. People openly pierce my heart and they look at where am I going from here? Is it your pregnancy? Is it my wife in the hospital? Is it the betrayer? Yet you want me to forgive. I have always been standing alone. But I still love you. I still don't have any other option than to forgive. I have been forgiven. It's okay. Chimobi knew. Assuming he came on the right way, I could have still given you to him. Because that guy is a hard-working guy. And I love him. But that does not mean that what he did was right. But go and call him. That guy is my friend. Go and call him. Let's balance the game. It's a family game. Go.
Papa, you mean I should go and call Chimobi?
Yeah. My love, this one you're looking so bright. I hope, what happened?
You can't believe it. There is good news.
Good news? So tell me.
Papa is no more angry with you. He has forgiven you. He said I should ask you to come and see him so that you know when to bring your people and come and do the right thing.
Just like that?
Yes. Do you know that Papa even liked you so much? He said that he was angry with you because of tension, because of what was happening. He said that even without my pregnancy, that he's willing to give out my hand in marriage to you. That you're a nice person and you're a hardworking young man.
My love.
Papa likes you.
Thank you. It's a good news. It's a good news. Okay. Tell Papa that I will come and see him.
Okay. When are you coming?
Maybe. Okay, tomorrow. I will come. Yeah. Ngongo. Yeah, Obium. Yeah.
You know that what you did is not right.
What did
You
I
did not
do? What did I do? Ngongo. What did I do?
Wonder shall never end.
Why are you laughing?
I'm laughing at you, of course.
Laughing at me?
Yes.
Did I wear a torn clothes? Why are you laughing? What is wrong?
Everything is wrong. Of course, everything is wrong. Eh? What is even your problem, Ngozi? Eh? Are you even out of your mind? Okay, since you have forgotten, let me remind you that your Ukunnu is the one who put your mother in that hospital. Yes. Where are you going? Come back here. Hey, finish your message. Where are you going, Ngozi? Ha! Ngozika, Ukunnu. This girl, eh? Ukunnu, we know your story, oh. We know your story. Come back here. Jesus. Hey!
Useless girl. You that doesn't know, you don't even know the father of your unborn child. You're talking my friend. Please get out from this place.
Now, Gano, best of the same feathers. Look at them.
This one. This shameless girl who doesn't know the father of her unborn child. Useless girl. Eh? It's okay. Eh? At least I am happy for you. Chimobi stands for you. Eh?
Look at the face I'm going through. Look at the shame. Look at the insult.
What about that shameless girl who doesn't know the father of her unborn child? At least I am happy for you. Chimobi got you pregnant. He stand by you. Eh? Is that why you're crying? For that rubbish girl? This local village girl. It's okay.
The insults are much. Not just from her, from everybody in the village and the talk of the town.
You're not the talk of the town.
Anyway, she's calling me Ukunnu.
Ugo, you are not the talk of the town. Every girl is envious of you in this town. Eh? It's okay. Eh? I'm sorry. Don't mind her. She's a useless girl. Eh? Let's go. It's okay. Eh?
Chimobi.
Papa.
You are here.
Yes, there is something important I want to discuss with you.
Then have a seat. Go to your house again.
I and my wife. It's still the same thing. I've decided to get married. So I want to come with my people to do the necessary things that I have to do. But before then, I want you to take me to the hospital. Let me see Mama today. I want to see her.
Okay, I will take you. I will take you, but first, I have forgiven you.
Thank you, Papa.
Can't you see you are not standing for the sun just something? But it's okay. I have forgiven you. But before we go, Another cup of tea at home. I've been waiting to say this for a very long time. My wife, Matilda. I know you will recover from this. My wife, Matilda, was unleashing anger on you because of because it's not our biological mother. This is exactly the reason why he hasn't maltreated me. She thought I had you aside body. I've said everything, but she will not believe me. But Ngozi,
Papa.
it's okay. We have always loved you like your daughter.
Papa, you mean I am not your biological daughter? You mean Mama is not my mother?
It's okay. Ngozi, we have always loved you like a daughter. But I don't think this is supposed to be an issue for now. Because my wife is lying with us.
Papa, it's okay. God will provide the money. God will provide.
Papa, is it true?
Yes. But there's nothing to be worried about. We have loved you like a daughter. Let's think about how to get our Please.
Uzondo,
Man.
I want to thank you so much for everything. You know, you're a good friend. Since my master's wife chased me out of the house, you have been the one that accommodated me. I want to thank you, my brother. And there is a good news.
Good news?
Yes.
Let it out. I want to hear the good news.
I'll be traveling to my village. Yes, to bring my people and come and see Ngozi's father. He accepted and said I should call my people. Yes.
Congratulations, my brother.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Yeah, my good friend.
It's nothing. Yeah.
So,
see, you're like my brother now. Yes. You understand? We are more than friends now. You're like my brother. I'm just happy that finally they have accepted you. All right? We are together.
Let's go and get something and eat, maybe a drink.
No, one ball for the go.
I'm traveling. First thing in the morning.
We are together. Ngozi, what is your problem? I've been searching for you all over the place. Where have you been? You said you will bring back this car yesterday. What happened? I did not look at the car. Where is my car key? Give me my car key. Give me the car key first. You borrowed money from me. What's the problem? It's not return the one you borrowed previously and the one you borrowed the other time. What do you expect me to do with this thing? This is part of our friendship. I don't understand you. Give me all this thing you borrowed from me. Look at the car. Okay, I remove all these years you borrowed from me. Why will you be using my thing to be doing for the pose and be following all this girl again? Don't come again and ask. Give me. Remove this one. Remove it. Why will I wait? I'm not taking you. I'm not trustworthy. I'm not counting on your word again. Who is Dollar Boy? Who that you down there? Remove the word. Reverse. Look at my car. You spoiled all your car. See, you don't even watch the car. Okay, remove this. Me and you. In fact, our friendship end today. I want to show you. Don't come to my house again to talk to me again. Today, I cancel our friendship. In fact, my money, I'm coming to arrest you. You are no longer my friend. You are not even my friend as it stand like this now. Is it that money you are owing me? I'm coming to arrest you. If you don't want to pay that money, you will sleep in jail.
Dollar boy.
Who is Dollar? Who that you? Who even? Now your mama boy you name you Dollar boy. Stop that nonsense name you are answering. You are using it to deceive all these girls, Abi. See, I'm coming to arrest you. You see, don't come closer to my house, my apartment. Don't call my line. I don't want anything to do with you anymore. And my money, I'm coming with full force to collect it from you. You must provide that money. Oh, let that be my money. I said I will give you later now. So do you want me to progress? So because we are friends, Abi, you want to arrest me now. What is the problem? Don't get close to me. I don't want to see you around my house again. Go on your own and on my own now. Okay, leave my side. What is your problem now? Me, I'm going, though.
Chineke dị mma, ị mere n'ụbọchị taa o, n'ụbọchị taa o.
Ungo, wonder shall never end. Hey, how many cars does Gozie have? Because the one I saw today is black.
I don't want to talk about that Gozie that put Mama in that hospital. He has many cars, and so he used to tell me and Mama that he has many cars. But there's this particular black one he used to bring to the house.
That is also he told you and Mama. That guy is fake. Everything about him, fake. Borrow. Even the money that he gets to you is borrow. The shoe, borrow. Khaki, borrow. Onya will fake.
What are you talking about?
You're lucky that is not him that pregnanted you. Everything about him, fake. That car that he used to drive to your father's house. I saw the real owner today. He collected the car. Everything about your Gozie, your former Gozie, fake.
Do you even know what you're talking about? See, I don't like Gozie because of his character. But talking about this, Gozie is a rich guy. That is why he's very insultive. Insults me at me, calls me local. Yes, I know. But this other story, you are confusing me.
Reach my food. He's a local boy and a boro boy. Onayo, my shoe. Khaki. I don't know if he's going to borrow you one day.
Wait. It's not true. Because if he's borrowing shoe, borrowing car, borrowing this, borrowing that, what about the money he has been giving to my mother?
Boro! Oh, boro.
Hey.
But this one you're sewing clothes. What for?
This is your story, eh? It's the clothes I want to use for my marriage in Nigeria.
My friend, you're sewing your clothes. I want to use it for marriage. This clothes.
Yes, this is the shirt. I use the scale. Is it not ordinary paying of bride price? It's not yet a traditional marriage. So on that day, traditional marriage, Chima will buy me enough clothes.
I am your friend.
This one now, let me sew it and use. After all, it's just ordinary paying of bride price.
But this is not the kind of clothes you wear to marriage now.
It's just paying of bride price now.
No, nah. At least I have something nice to give to you. You're my friend. Why are we friends? Don't wear this one now.
You will give me?
I will give you. Are you not my friend?
Thank you.
What are you going to do with your hair?
I don't even remember. I can carry it like this. Oh, bride price.
Mbana, I will do you packaging at least. That will be okay for you.
Yeah, thank you.
You know you're my friend.
Pitu, are you sure this thing you saw Gozie with your eyes?
Am I blind? Leave that one.
Come.
Come. What is it?
Oh, you're not aware of what is going on in this village.
What?
I heard that there is a big ceremony that is going to happen at Mazu God's compound.
Which Mazu God?
Mazu God now.
Mazu God? Who is marrying who?
Chimobi is getting married to his only daughter.
Oh, now boy marriage. Is that why you are calling me? Why you are disturbing me? Okay.
The latest update is that Chimobi is a prince.
Which Chimobi?
The Chimobi that you know now, the one that are using as boy in that house.
Guy, wake up. Which one? Chimobi, prince. How? Where?
As you see me now, I'm going to the marriage. I'm going to stay there until I'll get Chimobi's attention so that he can help me. So that I'll have a brighter future.
Okay. Are you serious?
See, look at the kind of place that you're living in. I'm going to the marriage. If you like, stay here.
Okay. Hey, no. Hey, Chimobi.
I'm going to the marriage.
Hey, Chimobi. No. Hey, this one.
baite mwezi kembo badike orukwene.
My love, please, calm down.
For real? Are you a prince? What is going on? Papa!
It all started like this.
What's going on? Where is my car?
Your Highness, Prince Chimobi went out with it.
Went out with my own car? Prince Chimobi went out with my car?
Yes, Your Highness.
Any idea of where you went to?
No idea, Your Highness.
So what delayed you from washing the car? Hence Chimobi went out with my own particular car?
Sorry, Your Highness.
You're a bunch of fools, lazing around in my palace. Is there anything wrong with you? Come on, go and watch this thing and let me go out from this place. Stupid boy. Look at him.
Greetings, my prince. I'm here to know what you would love to eat for dinner.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm okay. Forget that. You may take your leave.
No.
Thank you. My prince, don't tell me you don't know why we are here.
Well, not at all.
Not at all. Didn't you tell him?
My elders, it's not as if I don't want to tell him, but he has always been busy.
Busy with traveling up and down as he does.
Yeah.
Huh? Meanwhile, we have important things to discuss here.
Prince Chimobi, let us not beat about the bush. We, the cabinet members of the late Igwe's cabinet, have decided that we want to appoint you to be the next king. Igotaria?
Yes. And to do that, you must get yourself a wife. You must get married. That is exactly why we are here. In fact, Lolo, you are in the position to explain to him very well.
I will just do that. I will let him know the implications of all those things. Maybe I've not been able to explain to him too well. So I will do just that. Immediately you are leaving here.
Very good. Ichie, I think we need to be on our way.
Thank you. All right.
Don't
worry. Next time we will come. If Enga no champion.
It's about my elders, you are all welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
None,
where is our son, the prince?
Oh, French, he's inside. Let me call him. Oboja! Oboja!
Your Majesty.
Please call Prince for me.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Yeah, so it's good.
Prince Chimobi Woki.
My elders, welcome to my abode palace.
Thank you.
Welcome. Wikoma, how are you doing today?
Because as you can see, I'm fine, my elders.
The prince himself.
Okay.
My prince.
My elders.
We are here as regards to what we discussed with you.
Lolo, I hope you explained properly to him as we requested the other time.
I told him he's here to confirm it.
Okay. My elders, of course, my mom, the great queen of this kingdom, told me everything. So, I'm aware.
What is the result we want to hear?
My prince, have you found a wife? That is the cross of the matter. It's not here. And where my elders?
You see, this mission of finding a wife is getting difficult for me. All that I have tried proves abortive.
My prince. So finding a wife is now difficult. Even for a royal prince like you.
Look at the darling of all beautiful ladies, beautiful maidens in this kingdom. My prince, if you are finding it difficult to find a wife, I have beautiful daughters, sweet looking ones. You choose and select.
Look at even how you are just demonstrating it as if you are the only one that have daughters.
No, I am making things called easy so that our prince will get married. Call him now.
My prince, I also have daughters. 2 daughters for that matter.
My prince, also me. I have daughters. What can I come see exactly?
My elders, well, you see, I have tried so much to find a wife, but I need someone that will love me for who I am. You know, not as a prince, but someone that can be my friend and, you know, that can love me as Chimobi.
My prince, what are you talking about? We even gave you a chance thinking that maybe you have a girlfriend to present to us. Huh? If you don't have anybody, try without anything wine. No, don't want wine,
My elders, like I said earlier, I need someone that will love me for who I am, not as a prince, but as Chimobi.
Again, to do the one you want to to do the one you want to now how could you say Hannah met anyway?
The man have Balabuku.
Saying the wife is difficult. For a prince like that. Why don't you tell us the truth?
Look, I'm not love for Naja. But he has been delaying us since all this while. Yes. I'm just wondering the kind of girls that will reject the prince's hand in marriage.
I don't know. With all these beautiful habits we have in our community, let him tell us. We organize some for him to select.
I don't think. Look, there is something that I am thinking. This boy has been outside the country for a long time. So how are you sure that he will like all these our girls?
Look, he has no option. Remember, it is a criteria for us to make him a king. If he does not like it, we first swear unto him for him to become a king. But he will not. Yeah?
You're most welcome.
Thank you, Lord.
You already know why we are here.
Oh, with regards to our previous discussions, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
Has there been any improvement?
Yes, there is an improvement.
Oh.
My son, the prince, have accepted to look for a wife.
That is good.
It's a whole lot of improvement.
Yes, yes.
At least the throne will not be vacant for so long.
Exactly.
Ishe, this is good news.
No.
And it calls for celebration. Ooh! If the prince will stop all his traveling and decided to get a wife, Lolo, we must celebrate. We must celebrate it.
Mbubadika ijide ube enyi nna ya odogwu agụrụ niile wụ mmanwụ mana amịtị so na ndị mere ememe ji eje ihe chima nwoke ibe nne ya ijiri birie mụ na-ekwu chekezi ogbu aja mụ na-ekwere egwu obodo mara akwa nwa bịa kelee mmọnwụ amịtị ji biri okorobịa oyibo ọ bụrụ ọka ekelekwe ndị ekele ọnụ
Ogboja, my prince, I will increase your pay.
Thank you, my prince. Thank you.
You may sit down.
Thank you, my prince.
God,
Yes, my prince.
where's my mother?
The queen is in our chamber, my prince.
Excuse me. Ogboja,
My prince.
you know you're very close to me.
Yes.
I want to ask you a question.
Go ahead, my prince.
Why is it difficult to find love? I mean, to find true love.
My prince, is it for people like you or any other person?
Come on, Ogboja, do I look like I am joking? Who else am I talking about if not me?
True love will be difficult for you to find in this kingdom because of your status. But if you really want to find it, you will find your way.
Am I joking? I am telling you about something that has been bothering me. I have searched everywhere. So which other way are you talking about?
My prince, you have to travel far where no one knows that you are a prince. Travel far where they don't know your identity.
Ah, you see? You're very intelligent.
Thank you, my prince.
So I should travel, leave the whole palace,
A fireplace.
and travel to where they don't know who I am.
That's the only remedy. My prince, you have to travel far where no one knows that you are a prince. Travel far where they don't know your identity. Travel far where they don't know your identity.
Good day, Your Highness.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yeah, actually, I'm waiting for someone here.
Your boyfriend?
No, a friend.
Okay, are you our village girl? I'm sorry, I mean, are you from this community?
Of course, my prince, I'm from here.
Okay, so do you mind if I give you a ride?
Without pleasure, my prince.
Then hop in. Open the door for her.
Nah,
What is it? What is it, Kwano?
see opportunity. See opportunity, a golden opportunity. I wish I'm the person that had this opportunity, like the prince, to choose a wife. Hi!
Nah, our prince needs love.
Love. From girls of these days, love. Now there is no love again. There's no love again.
Wait, are you saying there is no more love?
Oboja, there is love, but it will be very hard, difficult.
See who is talking. See who is talking. There is no love at all. If there is love, I would have choose the best girl.
Lele. You think the prince is a womanizer like you? You think the prince they follow woman?
Look at Namdi. Namdi, you don't even allow your headmaster to rest. You already have 2 maidens in this palace. So I know. Onyoro. How will you understand? Oh, Gwaja. Because Buru Moja can Anano.
Because the queen is not in the palace,
Go and sit down. The queen is not in the palace. You don't want to talk.
See, even if the queen is there, the queen will enjoy this food.
Abi? Please, if the queen is not around, we the palace guard, we enjoy ourselves.
Please, let me go back to my people. I just overheard you people. So
just blow small first now before you go back.
Hey!
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Let me respect. Boy,
this guy is too good.
I know why the prince.
It seems it is calling you. Who man? Apa. I'm inside.
Let me go to the gate.
Sanya view.
Welcome to my palace. Can I ask you for a favor?
Of course, my prince, feel free.
I would love you to stop calling me my prince. I want you to call me Chima and not prince, because I feel more comfortable when you call me by my name, Chima or Chimobi.
Indeed, you are just an easygoing person, I must confess.
Of course, you see, humans are dust, so who am I? I'm just human. Okay, do you believe in love?
Of course, I do believe in love.
So you do?
Yes, I do.
Okay, drink up.
Alright, let me just sip it small.
You see, I like your vibes. So tell me, do you have a boyfriend?
No, my prince.
You don't have a boyfriend?
Come here. Don't know what happened.
Why are you touching me? I know that this you called me out here. You have a gossip to tell me. So what is it?
You are not a gossip.
You know I don't have that time.
Don't even insult.
I don't have that time. So tell me, what is it?
I'm not talking with you.
No, I've not gotten to that. My sweet friend. Annually. Oh yeah, tell me now. Tell me, what is it?
Oh, yes,
you know you are my gossip mate. Tell me, what is it?
So you have accepted that you're a gossip now?
I said it. Oh yeah, now what is it? Tell me, what is it? Why did you come here?
Nay, I don't understand the prince these days.
I knew it. I knew the reason why you brought me out here have something to do with Prince Chimobi. What is it?
And so, you if not you no go get eye for prince. You need to see how prince is very tall, very handsome, very cute. I wish you would just look at me.
You better take that your eyes to Onedika, who will appreciate you. Should you be caught by the queen, you'll be punished severely. Are you okay?
God forbid. In fact, let me reject it 100 times. God forbid. God forbid. God forbid. Holy Ghost fire. Oyedika, an ordinary palace card. Don't even go there. Eh? That girl that came the other day, is she better than me? Look at me now. Yeah, weight balance, come fine, come still get your shopping. Please don't even insult me.
Why are you saying God forbid over a guard loving you? Are you not a maid?
Uncle, forget this uniform. I'm a very sexy girl.
Are you serious?
I'm a sweet girl. I'm more sweeter than you. Hey, you're a sweet girl.
Look at this girl. In fact, you are mad. I told you my own. No. Stay away from the priest, Anole.
I just wish I could have the prince.
This girl is going crazy. This girl is going crazy. She's mad. Let them catch you.
I just wish the prince would look my way and forget about any other girl that wants him to marry her.
Really?
Nnamdi, did you hear anything?
Bakwa, I don't hear anything.
It's a lie. I don't know what I was saying about the prince, but it's not what you think. Oh?
Wait, let me ask you something. I thought you are Onedika's girl.
Yes. No. Oyedika likes me, but...
But what, Kwano?
Please don't tell anybody this thing that you had, please.
You want me to be quiet?
Leave me for. I'm coming with you, bro. Just think of it.
My beautiful angel. Thank you so much. My queen. Of course, you're the new bride, you're the new queen. I am overwhelmed. You just made my day. I want to take you out. I want to spoil you. For the fact that you have my baby, little Prince Chimobi, I want to buy the whole world for you today. You're welcome, my beautiful damsel.
I'm so excited. I don't even know what to say. Like, I was meaning to say maybe you will not accept the pregnancy because it's so sudden.
Oh.
You just took me unaware. Thank you once again.
My beautiful damsel. When I told my mom, she was so excited. So automatically, I am getting married to you. And the elders are coming to hear the good news.
Obuaja, Your Majesty.
Call one of the maidens for me. My beautiful damsel. You see, I know you want to have a baby girl, but...
No. I want to have the heir apparent to the throne.
I want you to prepare a special meal for my queen. And I want it to be fast.
Yes, my prince.
My beautiful damsel.
Odogwu. Okuroka. Okuroka lisa 1. Negodu nwoke. Ofu mbaja na-eme offload.
You're just so sweet. Just like your words. I will continue to keep having you all over and all over. Let's hit the road.
And I will continue to make you proud. Angoleka. Making the room we get better, Angoleka. You're peeping at the prince.
Stop shouting now.
You're peeping at the prince. You wowsa. I forgot to find something to do, Biko. I said you should go and find something to do. You don't have any other work in this palace to look at the prince. Who says you're not beautiful? Angole. Am I me too? Am I not beautiful? Why are you asking me that question?
Let me tell you something, I'm in this palace because of the prince.
Hey. Angoleka, wait. So you mean to tell me that you're in this palace because of the prince? Are you okay?
Honestly, and the prince is not even looking my way at all. Uncle Jones, look at me very well. Jones, me go do young outside there. Is she more prettier than I am?
Excuse you. Well, let me even ask you, why would the prince look your way? You should know the prince by now, Angoleka. The prince will never look your way. Please tell me, I heard he asked us to prepare something for his wife. What is it? What did he ask us to prepare for his wife?
Wife, Opa. Onugiano.
Omanuziano.
Please, me, I'm confused right now. I don't have time for it.
Confused about what? You can't be confused.
So that's the first to believe you.
Look at this one.
Ijoma. I'm not affected. Ijoma, you evil girl. What is it, you evil girl?
So you think I will not find you? Are you stalking me? What have I done to you?
I am warning you. Just let my stay clear away from him.
Ijoma here.
My prince.
You don't even need to know him. This guy here is a criminal.
Allow him to talk. What is it?
My prince.
Thank you, Prince Chima. Ijoma here is my girlfriend. My prince, you don't need to listen to him. I don't know this guy from anywhere. He's just stalking me.
Why are you stalking me? I don't have anything to do with the property. I cannot be doing anything with this property sticking guy now.
Ijoma, keep quiet. Please, talk.
Ijoma here is pregnant for me. She's pregnant for me and have made all the necessary arrangements for her marriage. Now everything has perished. All the things I bought has perished. I don't even want the marriage again. I don't want. All I want is my baby. Prince, all I want is my baby, oh. I will not play with my baby, oh.
Young man, can you prove this?
Yes, Prince. Yes, my prince. Yes, my prince. All the community, they know it.
My prince.
Yes.
Don't tell me I'm going to believe this guy.
Yes.
I don't believe him.
As the community, they all know she's my girlfriend. It was when I heard that Prince Chima want to get married. I said, oh, who is he getting married to? They said, it's Ijoma, my Ijoma, my own Ijoma, with my baby.
Did they say to ruin my life?
Are you not pregnant with my baby? Are you not pregnant with all I want is my baby.
My prince!
All I want is my baby. Leave me. All I want is my baby. I will not take it. All I want is my baby. All I want is my baby. All I want is my baby. I don't. All I want is my baby.
It's not kill you today. Like if it's not. Jesus, this guy has killed me! You, my prince is a liar! Jesus! Hi! My dear people they have finally gotten me! Look at me, look at palace, look at me, look at palace! See me, see royalty! You may have destroyed me, you have killed me! Oh. My prince is lying! My prince is not telling the truth! I thought I would make it to the palace! I'm finished. I am finished. My prince!
Greetings, my prince. Not today. I need to be left alone.
Why, my prince? Is it because of that girl that came with another man's pregnancy? Thank God the gods have exposed her. Don't worry, my prince. You are going to get your own soulmate.
I wish the elders will allow me to calm down and find my soulmates.
At least now they know it's not your fault. My prince, you must surely find soulmates. The gods of our land will bring your own soulmates. He said, can I blow now?
Not today.
You're all dancing and bubbling. I'm
so happy. I'm so happy. I can't wait for the D-Day. This is how I'm going to dance. We're going to this is the kind of idea about
Wait, don't tell me you are the witch that sent that lady out of this palace.
Me witch, ba? How? Am I the one that told her to get pregnant for another man? Or are you not here?
Look at this one. Pot calling kettle black. How am I even sure that you're not pregnant for Onyedika?
Holy Ghost fire. God forbid. I can never be pregnant for that guy. I'm not pregnant for Onyedika. How am I even sure that Onyedika loves me? Am I in his heart?
See, let me tell you, like, I don't even understand what you're saying, but I just want to have one question for you.
Okay.
Do you really love Prince Chimobi?
I really love him. In fact, he's the reason I'm working in this palace. I really love Prince Chimobi.
My advice for you, if Prince Chimobi is the main reason why you're in this palace, I would advise you to resign. I've told you my own. If you like, dance all you want to dance, finish. The queen will sit in her mind. Queen, you make me feel the lobby. I watch a couple and you.
And I love this peace. If the prince choose me, then who are you to put us under? Up, walk. I'm gonna keep ya.
Yes, my friend. Go and call the judge.
prince. Oh, what? Are you still taking this?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm not drunk. I'm just a bit tipsy. Can you do me a favor?
Of course, my prince.
I want you to stop calling me my prince.
Sir?
You see, I actually thought about what we discussed, and I'm ready to embark on that journey. So I want to start living like ordinary people.
Okay, my prince. Sorry, Chimobi.
Do not ever tell my mom about this mission until I leave this palace.
What if she feels hurt?
Of what I thought you were a man full of wisdom.
I am a prince.
I will keep to your words. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know if you can give me a little praise, because I will miss it.
Mbụbana ji gbanwere onwe mbụba dike n'ọrụgbe mgbe anyị ga-emesi ike ewo ewo nganga ka anyị ji eme nganga ka anyị ji egosi obodo mmọnwụ obodo mmadụ na-akwa nwa m obodo amarụgo mmọnwụ mmọnwụ oyi ogbu aja dike na-akpọ gị enyi nna ya na-amụ ichi jide ebube mmọnwụ be m enyi nna ya dike ya
Help me and call one of the ladies to prepare a beautiful meal for me at the dining
Angelica.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Nkone.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Chike. Nnamdi.
Yes, Your Majesty.
And Owocha.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Where is my son? I put it to you because you are his personal head. Where is my son?
Your Majesty, I swear I don't know where he is.
Oh, you don't know where he is? I say speak up! Nobody wants to say anything. Nobody wants to say the truth. You don't know anything, Your Majesty.
I know by now you must be angry that I'm no longer in the house. But know that I've left in search of my missing reed. Please, I'll contact you. I have your number. Don't try to call me because I will not. Do not call me, I will call you. Bye.
And why are you all staring at me in that manner? Now get away from this place! Get out! Get away from this place! Stupid people. Look at them.
That's the reason I hid it from you. I'm so sorry, my love, but I have to do this just for love.
Just for love? My son, I am happy because you have found love. Your wife here is a beautiful girl. She is naturally beautiful. And I've always known you as someone who always loved good things. And that is the reason, even when you left the palace in search of your love, you gave me the whole hope that something good is gonna happen.
And I'm happy today, my son. Nkoleka.
Yes, Your Majesty. You have to go with the driver to the palace. And go and get me the regalia. As soon as possible. Be fast about it.
Ngozi, my daughter, you are a very fine girl. I've forgiven Chimobi. He knows I will always forgive you. Go and live there.
Next one.
Mr. Chimobi, walk down with Chimobi. Property,